The demand for data science professionals has been consistently high and is expected to grow exponentially in the future. Every click, every like, every subscribe generates an enormous amount of information on the internet every single day. Data scientists play a crucial role in turning this information into actionable information. AI-powered technologies such as machine learning help data scientists to gather information and conclusions from this data very quickly. And this is why learning data science as a fresher can be an excellent career choice. It opens up a wide range of opportunities and positions you at the forefront of a growing field. Our 100-day Python with Data Science program will enhance your ability to develop end-to-end applications and create interactive data visualizations and integrate these data models into your web applications. Faith Infotech Academy at Technopark offers a comprehensive curriculum, experienced faculty, practical learning approach, state-of-the-art infrastructure, industry partnership, and career services, and a supportive community. We also provide excellent placement services. Invest in your future career with our full-stack Python and data science program and take your first steps towards a lucrative IT career.